Joining me now from Pompano Beach, Florida is Doron Merdinger, founder and CEO of Doroni Aerospace. I'm so excited to have you with us today. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Thank you for having me.
So before we jump into the new funding, I want to hear more about what these flying cars are going to look like, how they're going to operate, how high they can fly. I'm getting Jetsons vibes here.
Yeah, so the name Flying Car transitioned the last few years to what's called eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing. It's all electric. It can essentially taxi on the ground in our case, and take off vertically and then fly horizontally. We are basically targeting a light sport aircraft type certification for recreational use. We want to introduce this technology to the world that we believe it's long overdue since aviation in general it's using the same old technologies like aluminum and combustion engine, and here we bring carbon fiber and electric propulsion.
Okay, so talk me through how high these vehicles can fly and how that works with our current airspace, which is very crowded.
Yeah, so again, as an LSA light sport aircraft, we believe the comfortable altitude will be over 500 to 1,500 feet. It can go up to 8,000, but really there's no need for that. In our case, it's uncontrolled airspace, and basically it's very easy to control. It's all electric, and it's just a one joystick, very simple to use. Any kid can use it. Think about flying a drone, right? The drone that flies. Even if you don't know what to do, you drop your hands and it will maintain location. So this is a very accurate three-dimensional elevator, if you will.
Okay, so we understand that you're looking to deliver these vehicles as soon as next year. Sounds optimistic. Where are you in the manufacturing process at the moment?
Yeah, so we're still in the development process. Our target is, and this is what we live in, the end of 26, beginning of 27. We will have this is our target, certified aircraft, go-to-market product, and then we start manufacturing in 27. This is an ambitious, but we believe it's doable goal to do.
And how much will this vehicle cost when it actually does go to market?
We expect it to be around the $400,000, like a very high-end car, but an affordable aircraft, if you will.
Wow, that is an interesting price point. So let's talk about the fundraising that you have. You just raised $180 million in new funding. How do you plan to use all this capital?
Yeah, so we basically signed an agreement with an investment with a Saudi-based company for $30 million to complete the go-to-market product, and then we signed. We were in Saudi Arabia about 2 weeks ago. We signed another MOU, basically for $150 million to localize the production in Saudi Arabia. The goal is to, as I said, to complete the go-to-market product here in the U.S. the development. And then we have established both factories in the US and in Saudi Arabia. Obviously, the main factory will be the US one, but we're going to have also a US based Saudi factory that will sell to the Middle East and North Africa, like Turkey.
Are you thinking that your clientele is more outside of the US then?
Well, we have around 500 pre-order requests at this point. People deposited, mostly are from the U.S. This is really a technology for the entire world. I don't see anybody that would not like to have a Doroni H1X in his garage, in two-car garage.
Yeah.
So it's, again, very easy to use. We believe it's a much lower maintenance, low noise footprint. And we also set it up to be a safer machine than what's out there today.
How will these vehicles operate within the current automotive structure, though? The infrastructure?
So in terms of transition on the roads, these cars are mainly, in our case, are for taxiing. So it's you go to charge, you go to park it. But it's not suitable for driving our main road. There's really no need for that if you think about it, because again, there's enough airspace to transition safer and faster and enjoy Earth from a different perspective. As you fly like a drone, which you can see the world around you. You're not above the clouds, you're under the clouds, and you can appreciate Earth or the world that we are living in.
Very quickly, what do you say to skeptics about the flying car?
I think bigger people like Ford say that if you let people I think want to be with what they have, they will still stay with the horse and buggy, right? Every new technology has these skeptics, but at the end of the day, we find ourselves adopting the phones and electric vehicles, and
All
this is
right.
just in tradition.
Wonderful talking with you, Doron Merdinger, founder and CEO of Doroni Aerospace.